Hi, I'm Brooke. I'm a leasing consultant at the Curb Apartments. Today I'm going to show you apartment number 535. This is our studio with a den, which makes it very unique. Another great feature about this apartment is that it's right next to the elevator here. Follow me on in. Now first you'll find your washer dryer. All of our apartments have full-size washer dryers in the units. And then behind us, we'll find the bathroom. Nice size vanity here, super bright. And then you'll see your coat closet. And the pantry. And the kitchen. So we have these beautiful white cabinets, granite countertops, soft closing feature with all the drawers to help with noise, and then you have your stainless steel appliances. You have your gas range stove, mounted microwave, and the refrigerator with the ice maker and the freezer. Over here we have our movable island, which you can move around the apartment however you feel, will best save space. Also to save space, we have the pre-mounted cable here. And then you see your standard living space. Closet over here. That may seem like a normal studio, but then you have this awesome den, which is typically used as a bedroom. Great size. You can fit your bed in here, dresser, another wall mount here. And then off of the bedroom, you have your full-size balcony. Now another great perk about this apartment is the location, so you get a ton of natural light here. Thank you for taking the time to tour with us. We hope we see you soon.